To remove the tarnish, use the MultiBrax MB650 EC cleaner. Immerse the brush in the cleaning electrolyte and ensure it is well soaked. Gently remove the tarnish on the weld using slow, even movements. Rinse off any remaining electrolytes with the cleaning solution and wipe the surface with a microfiber cloth. The Tile Cut 1200 Auto is a professional tile cutting machine suitable for straight and curved cuts. It features a powerful motor for fast and precise cutting, along with a dust extraction system to maintain a clean work area. Compatible with various tile types, including ceramic, porcelain, and glazed tiles, it offers adjustable cutting depth for different thicknesses. Perfect for professional tilers and DIY enthusiasts, this machine is easy to assemble, operate, and store due to its compact dimensions. Enjoy the benefits of high cutting accuracy, speed, and quality assembly with the Tile Cut 1200 Auto. The Draper Multi-Drive Metric Socket Set is a high-quality, versatile socket set made from chrome vanadium steel. It features a micro satin finish and is hardened and tempered for durability. The set includes a reversible soft grip ratchet, deep and shallow sockets in various sizes, an extension bar, and a universal joint. The sockets have a knurled ring for enhanced grip, and they come packed in a tough plastic storage case with a soft grip handle. This set is suitable for both metric and imperial fixings, making it ideal for a range of applications. It is a reliable choice for home mechanics and professionals alike, offering quality construction and a wide selection of sockets. The BLACK+DECKER cordless rotary tool with Kitbox is a versatile tool suitable for cutting, sanding, polishing, engraving, and grinding tasks. It comes with a kit box containing various accessories. Powered by a 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers up to 30 minutes of runtime and can be quickly charged using the included USB cable. The tool is lightweight, has a comfortable grip, and features variable speed control. While it may not be the most powerful option, it is still suitable for most home improvement and DIY projects. The kit box with accessories and the long battery life make it a convenient choice. The Sunjo 24-volt 1500 FEL LTE 24-volt Ion Max handheld spotlight flood kit is a cordless flashlight powered by a 24-volt Ion Max battery. It offers a maximum brightness of 1500 lumens and a reach of up to 700 yards. The flashlight features 5 light modes, a 90-degree pivot head, and a belt hook for easy carrying. It is lightweight, has a long battery life, and is water-resistant. With its durability and versatility, it is suitable for various tasks such as camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. The KEMTEX Ion Gun is a handheld device that utilizes ionization technology to eliminate static electricity and dust particles from surfaces. It is commonly used by car detailers and painters to prevent dust from settling on freshly painted surfaces. By emitting positively charged ions, the gun neutralizes negatively charged dust particles, causing them to fall to the ground. It can also remove static electricity, preventing objects from sticking together. The KEMTEX Ion Gun is user-friendly, lightweight, and portable. It offers a safe and effective solution for maintaining clean and dust-free surfaces. While it may produce some noise and have limitations on certain surfaces and dust types, it remains a versatile and valuable tool. The Marshalltown Vinyl Ripper is a manual tool used for scoring and snapping vinyl flooring. It features a sharp scoring blade to make shallow cuts, allowing for easy separation. This versatile tool is suitable for various vinyl flooring materials and can be adjusted for different thicknesses. It is safe, easy to use, and ergonomically designed for comfort. The Marshalltown Vinyl Ripper is an affordable option for homeowners and contractors alike. However, it requires more effort compared to powered tools and may struggle with thicker vinyl flooring. Remember to use a sharp blade, apply pressure while scoring, and promptly snap the flooring along the scored line. The TORCOFIX TF-K 5, 25 Nm from GEDORE is a versatile torque wrench designed for assembly, maintenance, and repair tasks. With a maximum torque of 25 Nm and a precise 0.1 Nm scale, it offers accurate torque control. The wrench features a ratchet mechanism and is suitable for various fasteners like bolts, nuts, and screws. It is lightweight and comfortable to use. While not as powerful as some other torque wrenches, it may struggle with tight fasteners. Remember to use the appropriate socket, align it properly, and avoid exceeding the maximum torque rating. Regularly inspect the wrench for any signs of wear. The Hardwerks Universal Fit magnetic bit holder is a versatile tool that securely holds bits in place when used with power tools such as drills, drivers, and saws. Its strong magnet ensures a secure grip even during vibrations. Made from durable materials, it withstands daily use and is lightweight for easy portability. Available in various sizes, it fits different power tools. Enjoy the convenience of easy bit storage and access, preventing bits from falling out, and effortless bit changes. However, it may be challenging to remove stuck bits, and the strong magnet requires careful use to avoid unintentional bit displacement. Overall, the Hardwerks Universal Fit magnetic bit holder is a valuable addition to any toolkit. The RYOBI Link modular storage system is a versatile and customizable solution for organizing tools and parts. It includes wall rails, shelves, bins, and drawers that can be assembled and disassembled easily. Made from durable materials, it is compatible with RYOBI tools and features a secure locking system. This system keeps items organized and accessible, preventing loss or damage. The wall rails are made of 21-gauge steel with a weight capacity of 200 pounds, while the shelves, bins, and drawers have respective weight capacities of 50, 25, and 30 pounds. Available in various colors, it is a practical storage solution. The Hulrafors REC and RECG laser line receivers are reliable tools that allow for easy reading of laser lines in long distances and challenging lighting conditions. With 2 sensitivity modes and adjustable volume levels, these receivers provide accurate readings and clear signals even in noisy environments. The receivers feature displays on both sides, backlit for enhanced visibility in low-light situations, and include spirit levels for precise positioning. Overall, the Hulrafors REC and RECG receivers are versatile and essential tools for professionals working with laser lines. The PENTRILO Paint Roller Clean Box is a convenient and efficient tool for cleaning paint rollers. With a simple setup, it utilizes pressurized water to spin and scrub the roller, resulting in a quick and thorough cleaning process. This device is favored by both professionals and DIY enthusiasts due to its time-saving and eco-friendly nature, using minimal water and reducing the need for harsh chemicals. Experience hassle-free paint roller cleaning with the Paint Roller Clean Box from PENTRILO. The Tenonator 2 is a versatile tool for cutting tenons on logs. It can cut tenons of different sizes and lengths, powered by a hand drill. With a durable double-edged carbide cutting blade, it can handle numerous tenon cuts. Attach it to a drill, secure the log, and start cutting. The Tenonator 2 is perfect for DIY log furniture projects and offer precise and efficient tenon cutting. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.